Hello guys, Assaultops here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a math table generator. So on the preview I'm going to show you how it is going to look like. For example, if you give input 3, it comes like 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, sorry, and so on to 3 into 10 equals 30. We're going to do this for any number you give as an input. Those of you who don't know the basics of Python, please go check out the tutorials. I'm just giving you brief description on how to make this simple table generator. To start, we are going to define a thing called table, and argument we are going to give it as a number. Number is what we are giving input. Now inside the define table we are going to use a for loop for, let's say, I variable, for I in range 11. You can give any range, but I am using 11 so that it comes only till 10, and we are going to print I multiplied by the number. And finally what we are going to do is we are going to type here table so that it gets executed. So let's run this. As you can see, there is an error, required positional argument we have not given, sorry. But let's say we give 3. So here are the numbers like 3 into 0 equals 0, 3 into 1 equals 3, 3 into 2 equals 6, 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9, 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12, until 3 multiplied by 10 gives 30. So as you can see here, it's starting with 0. So how to remove this 0? Just add 1 here. Now starts from 3. So now the question is, how are we going to show it easily? There's a simple fix here. Use this F feature. Number. This is X, but we are going to use it as a multiplication sign. I equals number multiplied by I. Now when we are gonna run it, it comes clearly understandable. In the first case it was not quite understandable. Now it is clearly understandable like this. 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3. So if you change this to 6, comes 6. Now we are going to alter a bit here. We are going to make an input, and it's very easy. Just add an input here. Let's say, what the hell, I don't know what was that. Oh shit, sorry. Enter a number, and we're going to remove this sign. Let's see if it works. Okay, forgot to put number here. One thing you can do is that you can just define number with no such variables, just empty. Let's see, it works. Okay, what is the thing that we are going to change is we are going to make it as an integer. Let's see, 4. It worked. Let's run it again. 10. Yes, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be uploading more tutorial videos like this and even gaming, so please make sure to subscribe, like, and press the notification icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. And that's it, bye.